Highly blessed everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's such a blessed day and I want to be so appreciative loving what Jaja Rastafari has given to us. So before we begin, let us bless today by saying thank you for life, health and strength, and we're going to go forward marching in God's grace. Selah. So yesterday I formulated this beautiful conditioner and it is from my Nutmeg tea that I created. And if you wanted to see more or if you don't know what I'm talking about, can you visit the previous video before this one, so you'll see the continuation of that video is this one, right? So I did a shampoo, a nutmeg shampoo. I formulated a nutmeg shampoo yesterday and that was amazing because the shampoo just, the smell of it, the texture of it, the feel of it, everything is just, yeah, I like it. I really like it. And I washed my hair today and I'm gonna do that video for you to show you how I do my little, routine with my locks and how I formulate this conditioner. So this video is all about me making our conditioner, and then the next video to come is going to be at the bright. So now we're just measuring out 69 grams of nutmeg tea, and I'm using my fiber, my microfiber fabric to strain, because as we said, I did use the basil in the tea and I didn't want the basil bits to be in my locks. So I want to strain this out and make sure the conditioner is going to be smooth and creamy and silky, but not bitty and lumpy and bumpy. Okay. So after we measure out our 69 grams of nutmeg tea, I am going to measure out my glycerin, which I'm using 4 grams of glycerin, and I'm going to mix it with my 1 gram of gargum, because I'm using gargum as a conditioning ingredient because I want to add that nice shine and tameness to my hair. I do not want my hair to be too, rough and frizzy, and using the gargum, I am going to do that. All right, so I'm just measuring out my glycerin and then I can mix it with my gargum, and then I can add my amla powder to it as well. I'm making these all into a paste because I don't want to go and add them into my powder. To my liquid and them start to float. And then it can't dissolve properly. And I really don't want to use my immerse blender. So I'm just doing it like this because it softens the powder. And I think, in my experience, it distributes better. All right. So now we're going to start with the oil phase, and we're going to measure out all the ingredients that we need for the oil. Right? I am going to be using, what may I do yourself? What may I do that? Oh, may I add the MSM. Oh, sorry people, I wonder why may I do that. Hey! Right. So we still upon the water phase. So we're going to add the MSM to the water. No, me can't put sorry people. Me even kind of fool myself because I think, what's going on here? Why would I do that with the oil phase? The oil phase is oil, it's not liquid. But I remember I didn't add the MSM. So add, how much MSM did I add again? I think it was 2 grams. If not 1 gram. No, it was 1 gram. 1 gram or 2 gram. I'm not sure. Just add some MSM to the thing. Yeah. And I put it in the oil, the water phase. You hear me? I mix up again. I put it in the water phase, people. MSM is water soluble, so it dissolves only in water. So please put it only in your water. You can put the percentage amount you want depending on how much you're making. I think I put 1 gram to match the product I was making because it was 100 grams. All right. So now we move on to the oil phase. You get me? So we're gonna measure out the castor oil, and we're gonna use some murmur butter as well. I only had like 2.6 grams of murmur butter left, so I just used that, and then I changed the ratio of the, because I wanted 10 grams of murmur butter, but I didn't have it, so I put 2.6. Then I added the remaining 2 to 5 grams of castor oil and put 12.4 grams of castor oil in, and then I used some olive derived emulsifying wax, and I use 6 grams of that, and I use 3 grams of cetyl alcohol wax. All right, and then I took those over to the double boiler and melt away. The water phase had already gone into the double boiler to heat up. So these two, you have to get them at the same temperature, because if you don't, you're gonna get it flops. It's gonna be like a cake rising and then just flop. So we don't want that. It's gonna destabilize your thing. So the temperature for both the water phase and the oil phase, it have to be upon the same frequency. They have to be upon the same energetical field, because one will be negative and one will be positive if it's not, and we want them to both sinking the same way. Okay. So you're at a very delicate phase right now, and you need to pay attention. Right now, can you see that? Can you see that emulsification that just happened? When it reached this, so stop. Please, me I beg you to stop. Because if you don't stop, we're not gonna get a piece of destabilized product. Listen, who feels it knows, all right? So look how gorgeous this is looking right now. This is so gorgeous. You can tell this is a conditioner. Look how yummy and gummy and just, wow, that just looks so delicious. No, it's not to eat. It's just, ooh, gum, 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 gum. I'm well chuffed. I'm well proud of myself right now. Let's take it in a slow motion style. No, so that just give a kind of appeal. I don't know if it's the appeal or the appeal, but some appeal is going on here. Wanna back me up? Somebody back me up, please, because no, sir. I don't know what it's going to do to your hair, right? Because you can actually see it. You can see the product that is going to do exactly what it's doing in the jug. So you know what? I'm gonna make another one full dry this video. I'm gonna shut up, and this is the end of the video. Not really, no, because you have to go to the preservative next. Nikki, pay attention. Come on. You're gonna do preservative next. So the next part you're seeing is the preservative. And now we're going to do the preservative side. So first, I'm going to be going in with one of the preservative that I've used at 1%, which is 1 gram, which is the benzyl alcohol. And then I'm going to go in with another preservative, which is 1 gram, still at the same 1%, and that's the plant preserve P preservative. Then I'm going to use my vitamin E at 1%, which is 1 gram, and my essential oil, which is nutmeg, at 1%, which is 1 gram. Then I'm going to give it a good stir, and there you have it. My angel says yes. 1, 1, 1. All right. They say yes, yes. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you have a highly blessed day. And I will see you very, very, very soon. the midst of me doing my thing. Wow. Let's see if I can gather some up in my hand. Not really. I'm just dirty up my hand. Like proper healing. And come and look, only a few strands lost.